Hey there, are you ready to explore Java, a powerful beginner-friendly programming language? In this lesson, you'll learn how Java works, why it's used, and how to start building real-world applications. Hey there!
Java is a powerful object-oriented language developed by James Gosling, making it platform-independent. Today, Java is widely used in apps, games, and web development.
Java is an object-oriented language that is easy to learn and powerful to use.
It runs on any system using the Java Virtual Machine.
With features like security, reliability, and
Java standalone applications run directly on your computer without internet. They are of two types. Console apps use text commands, while GUI apps use windows and buttons, making programs more user-friendly.
standalone applications run independently on your computer without internet. They use system resources for input, processing, and storage. Examples include word processors, making them reliable for offline use. Java applets are small programs that run inside web browsers. They are platform-independent, secure, and support graphics and interaction. Applets are used in online games form web applications.
Java programs follow a simple process.
First, we write code and compile it into bytecode.
Then, the Java Virtual Machine converts it into machine code and runs it.
That's how Java works everywhere.
Source code is the starting point of every program. It is written in a human-readable form using programming languages like Java. This code is then compiled or interpreted to run on a computer.
Source code. It's the code Java understands, and it runs on any computer with a JVM.
So it's like a bridge between our code and the computer?
That's the write once, run anywhere principle.
Object code is the machine-readable code created after compiling source code. It consists of binary instructions that the CPU can execute directly. Unlike bytecode, it is platform-dependent. JVM is the engine that runs Java programs. It converts bytecode into machine code, manages memory, and makes Java platform-independent. That's why Java follows write once, run anywhere. Java reserved words are special keywords used to write programs. They have fixed meanings and cannot be used as variable names. Learning these keywords helps you write correct and error-free Java code.
Java is widely used in real-world applications like mobile apps, games, web systems, and robotics. Its security, portability, and performance make it one of the most powerful programming languages today.
Now you understand the basics of Java, from source code to execution and real-world applications. This is just the start. Keep practicing, keep building, and turn your ideas into powerful programs.